Hi everyone, how you doing? Today we're going to do a simple chemistry experiment. So no need to get worried, moms and dads. This is completely safe. Everything is harmless, so this is going to be fun. I'm going to show you how to make old dingy pennies look shiny again. Yeah, did you ever wonder why pennies get dingy looking? Yeah, of course, dirt. That's the big thing. They get dirty. But it's also a chemical reaction called oxidation. When the air gets in contact with the copper on the penny, the copper oxidizes. And you can see on this particular penny, there's a lot of bluish oxidation on there. So what we're going to try and do with this experiment is make that penny and some of these other ones look shiny and new again. So the first thing you're thinking, well, can you just wash it off with soap and water? Well, let's give that a try. I have some regular dish soap here, and I have a little bit of water, and I have a toothbrush. So I'm going to put a little bit of dish soap on that penny, get my toothbrush wet, and I'm going to scrub it. And I'm going to scrub it some more. And let's see, let's turn it over, scrub it some more. Drop it in the water. Get my towel out and dry it off. Well, it did remove some of that oxidation. Let me see if I can get that up close a little bit. It's not quite as blue looking as before. So what we're going to do now that the dirt is off, you can see it's still pretty dull. Now that the dirt is off, we're going to try the experiment part. Because it was a chemical reaction with the oxygen and the copper that made it that way, it's going to take a chemical to try and get it shiny again. So what we're going to use distilled vinegar, just regular white vinegar. I'm going to put that in a bowl. There we go. And then I'm also going to use salt just to help scrub some of that stuff off. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is put a little vinegar on there. I have a dropper so that I can control the amount of vinegar I put on there. And then I'm going to put some salt on there to help scrub. And I don't know if you can see this. I would love to be able to show you this. Maybe I can move the plate over. It is starting to foam up a little bit. Kind of hard to see it. I don't want to knock all that vinegar off, but you can see it's sort of starting to foam a little, and it almost looks a little brighter. Let me put a little more vinegar on there and a little more salt. There we go. And we're just going to let it sit there for a minute. Why don't we do another penny too while we're at it? This one, well, you can see this one's got a blotch of stuff on it. I wish my light was a little better. So let's put some salt and vinegar on that one too. A little bit of vinegar, a little bit of salt. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, let's go back to that first one. I'm going to rub it just a little bit with my fingers. Just a little bit. Rub it, rub it. Get some of that abrasive action working. And then I'm going to rinse it off in the water and dry it off. And look at that. It's not completely clean, but it's a whole lot better than what it was, huh? Whoops. You can see it's a lot more shiny than what it was. I wish I had the original to show you, but you can look back. I mean, there's a new penny. Yes, of course, it's not shiny, but look at it. It took all of that oxidation off. If I scrubbed it a little bit more, it would probably even take more off. Let's take a look at this one here. Let me rub it with the salt and vinegar. Get a little bit more of that on there. Rinse it off. And even that penny is a lot shinier. So there you have it. There's that simple chemistry using vinegar and salt and a penny, the copper, to get that copper oxide off of that penny and make it look more shiny and new. Hope you had fun with that. We'll see you again soon. Bye.